ETH News. Ethereum crashes below $2,000. Can it recover begins now on Crypto News Today. We would greatly appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us tremendously in growing the channel and making our content more discoverable to others on YouTube. Welcome to an urgent analysis of Ethereum's dramatic plunge below $2,000 as of March 11, 2025. A seismic shift that has traders reeling amid swirling rumors of a massive Ethereum Foundation liquidation threatening to destabilize the market further today. Ethereum is currently trading at $1,889, down 8% in the last 24 hours, with whispers of a $100 million sell-off looming if it drops to $1,100, igniting panic across the crypto landscape right now. We're diving deep into the expert insights driving this crash, dissecting the liquidation rumors fueling widespread fear, and exploring the 4 critical hurdles Ethereum must overcome to claw its way back to $2,600, making this an unmissable moment for every investor watching closely. This story unfolds as Ethereum's price craters below $2,000 for the first time since late 2023, driven by a toxic blend of social media speculation, technical pressures, and a broader market downturn, setting up a high-stakes showdown between collapse and comeback in the days ahead. Ethereum has plummeted from $2,600 on February 24th to $1,889 today, an 8% drop in just 24 hours that caps a brutal 10% decline over the past week, and a 28% loss in the last month alone. The spark behind this firestorm comes from rumors on social media platforms, where traders speculate that the Ethereum Foundation could liquidate $100 million in holdings if ETH falls to $1,100, a threshold that feels ominously close as prices spiral downward now. These rumors gained traction after a wallet, initially flagged by Arkham Intelligence as linked to the Ethereum Foundation, deposited 30,098 ETH into a maker vault, holding 100,394 ETH against a 78,035,224 DI debt position currently. Analysts highlight this vault's liquidation price at $1,127.06, meaning a further 12% drop from $1,889 could unleash a cascade of selling, with traders dubbing it this year's FTX moment if it materializes soon. Ethereum developers Eric ETH and Sasol ETH have firmly denied that this wallet belongs to the foundation, tracing its roots to early investor Johnny ETH and a $4 million DAI transfer from the foundation's ETH sale in May 2022. Yet the lack of an official rebuttal keeps the rumor mill churning relentlessly today. The price slide to $1,889, hitting a low of $1,791 yesterday, marks a grim return to levels last seen in late 2023, shattering the $2,000 support and amplifying fears of a deeper plunge as uncertainty reigns supreme now. This crash aligns with Bitcoin's 1% dip to $97,695 amid trade tension fears, a ripple effect dragging XRP down 30% from $3.40 to $2.17, showing how tightly woven this market's fate has become today. Social media buzz paints a dire picture, with one trader musing that a liquidation at $1,100 could bottom out the cycle, ending the simulation, while another suggests the foundation might add collateral to avert disaster. Yet the silence from co-founders like Vitalik Buterin fuels the panic further now. Ethereum's woes are intensified by a 15-day stretch where $918 million in leveraged long ETH futures were wiped out, per CoinGlass data, a staggering liquidation wave that underscores the relentless selling pressure pushing ETH below $2,000 at this critical juncture today. The Pectra upgrade, intended to bolster Ethereum's scalability, has stumbled on Sepolia and Holesky testnets with empty blocks and chain splits due to configuration issues, casting doubt on its ability to deliver promised improvements and stoking risk perception among investors currently. Analysts assert that reclaiming $2,600 demands 4 pivotal shifts: successful network upgrades, a surge in usage, a reduction in supply, and seamless Layer 2 interoperability, each a formidable challenge as ETH battles to hold $1,889 amid this storm now. Institutional faith is crumbling, with Ethereum ETFs shedding $406 million in net withdrawals over 9 of the last 10 trading days, a clear signal that Wall Street's appetite for ETH is fading as its supply inflates at 0.7% annually, per recent data trends today. The burn fee mechanism, designed to offset inflation, has weakened with declining network activity, dropping Ethereum's staking yield below 2.5%, while DeFi stablecoin yields reach 4.5%. luring capital away from ETH as it struggles at $1,889 now. Solana's memecoin boom has outshined Ethereum, with whispers of a 2025 spot Solana ETF adding pressure, as ETH's total value locked lags behind rivals like Lightchain, boasting $3 billion, and Hyperliquid, with $2.8 billion in open interest today. Lightchain's focus on DeFi liquidity and Hyperliquid's perpetual futures dominance highlight Ethereum's slipping edge, with experts warning that without a clear advantage, ETH risks losing ground to these competitors as it fights to stabilize above $1,100 currently. The Pectra upgrades promise of lower fees and enhanced usability hangs in limbo, with testnet failures like Holesky's empty blocks signaling potential delays, a blow to confidence that could push ETH toward $1,100 if unresolved in the coming weeks ahead. Layer 2 fragmentation, lacking liquidity and user accessibility across solutions like Arbitrum and Base, hampers Ethereum's ecosystem, a flaw analysts say must be addressed to boost usage and propel ETH back to $2,600, a distant goal from its current abyss now. Ethereum's first-mover status is under siege, with critics arguing its incremental upgrades pale against modular Layer 1s like Lightchain, leaving traders desperate for proof that ETH can reclaim its throne as it teeters at $1,889 amid this liquidation scare today. This freefall below $2,000 to $1,889 paints a grim reality, with Ethereum's fate tethered to Bitcoin's $97,695 level, and the Foundation's next move if prices near $1,100 in the days ahead soon. The White House Crypto Summits. Bitcoin-only reserve focus on March 7th sidelined altcoins, and without a firm denial of liquidation rumors, XRP's $1 risk mirrors ETH's plight, amplifying the tension as traders brace for what's next in this volatile market now. Lightchain AI's $17,100,000 presale at $0.006 offers a safer haven, yet Ethereum's path to $2,600 hinges on overcoming its network woes and proving its worth against Solana's rising star today. Can Ethereum rally back to $2,600 by solving upgrades, usage, supply, and interoperability? Or will it crash to $1,100 if liquidation fears turn real? A high-stakes question gripping the crypto world as the clock ticks now. Well, stay on top of this story at Crypto News Today, delivering expert insights as Ethereum fights this $1,889 crisis. So please share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for our next deep dive into this unfolding saga very soon ahead.